Hey y'all, it's Amy Pinkston, the Pink Bag Lady here, and I am excited to talk to you today about gifting. So gifting is one of my favorite things to do, and I'll tell you why. I make my life very easy by having one simple thing, and that's a gifting closet. So have you ever heard of a gifting closet? Let me tell you, it is a concept that is loved here in the Pink Bag Lady community. It is going to make your life so much easier. So you're probably asking, what is a gift closet, Amy? It is simple. It is a dedicated space in your household that you are going to use to store gift items, gift wrap, and cards. Super simple. All right. The gift closet is going to hold a stockpile of gift items and everything that you're going to need to wrap and present those gifts. Now, you're probably asking yourself, why bother with a gifting closet, Amy? Well, I'm going to tell you, there's two really good reasons: time and money. So let's talk about time first. How is it going to save you time to have a gifting closet? Well, have you ever been invited to a children's birthday party or a shower last minute and you didn't have a gift? Of course you have. We all have. Well, your problems are going to be solved. You are not going to wreck your end of the month budget if you have a gifting closet, because you can just walk down the hallway and shop from your gifting closet to get that gift for the child's birthday party or the shower that you didn't know about or that you forgot about. So there, it's simply going to save you lots and lots of time. Now let's talk about it saving you money. So if you start throughout the year taking advantage of shopping sales, catalog clearance items, 31 outlet sales, taking advantage of all those discounted products, then you can start stockpiling gifts in your gift closet, which is going to make gifting so much easier for you. It's going to make holiday shopping a breeze. All right, if you've watched this video and you are excited about creating your own gift closet, I want you to comment below. Also, be sure to complete the contact info form so that I can get you put on the email list so that you get all my tips and tricks for gifting. Be sure and subscribe to the Pink Bag Lady community also so that you can see that next video coming soon on how to create your very own gift closet.